section of the trail that we're on now, we're climbing up through a mountain pass here. And I'm going to show you the rock cuts all up to the side. And then to the other side, when you look over here, it's the river. And on the other side, it's now white water as well. So we're definitely climbing up. I don't know if you can see it now. That's all white water. So pretty neat. We're starting to get up into the mountains. This is the town of Ohio Pile. How you doing? We stayed here last night. We're actually backtracking on the bridge just so that it was such a pretty town. We want to come back through it. Get video coming back through. This is the original train station. They've turned it into a visitor center. Oh, wheelie. I told you, you're gonna be doing wheelies. I got that on video. GoPro, stop recording. We are riding out of Ohio Pile right now, and this is one of the prettiest places I've ever been. It's all rock cut up there. There's a huge mountain over here in front of me. The river's right beside me. I don't think the video is actually gonna show just how pretty it is. It's one of those things you gotta be here to see it. It is really pretty. We must be getting pretty high up. Whoa, look at that. That has obviously been cut for the train. It's a pretty big country. Nice little set of rapids down there. concrete for the main street. Trust company. Uh-oh, I'm on the wrong side of the road. How good's the echo? Train station. Today's Saturday morning, it's the last day of our ride. We just had to ride up a great big hill to get to the trail. So that was a morning wake-up call. Wave, how are you guys doing? And we are now named Team Sand Squinch. So, have a good day, let's do it. End of the trail, not far. One of the big accomplishments for doing this ride is the Continental Divide. That's where the watershed changes. One runs east and one runs west. And we're here. Go Team Sam Squinch. Go Team Sam Squinch. There's the Continental Divide right there. One of the highlights on the trail is called the Big Savage Tunnel. We're just pulling up to the Big Savage Tunnel right now. Here it is. Oh, it looks like it's got lights in there. Oh, it's all lit. Big Savage Tunnel, 19... Ooh, it's kind of spooky. 1911. It's amazing how foggy it is in here. Definitely going downhill now too. miles now. Awesome. There it is up there. Yeah. This is it. What a pretty spot too. And that's awesome. He's ahead of schedule.